ABDULLAH Kneader AE390 latest high top. This is the shipping label of Daraz, 8th April 2025. Today is 9th April when it is being packed. The machine is okay from all the sides. We will show you from the bottom also. You can see there are no damages, and now we will start the machine and check its working. The machine has started. You can see the metal blade is installed inside, an extra plastic blade, a measuring flask and a warranty booklet is also included in the carton. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position, and then we will pack it in its genuine carton, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top, and then we will pack it in this brown sheet and finally bubble wrap and apply fragile stickers on top. The machine is about to stop. There you can see the machine has automatically stopped, so it is working absolutely fine and there are no damages. Now we will pack it in its genuine carton. We are Orion Engineering Company in Karachi, and we have all the different all the three models of ABDULLAH Kneader currently in stock. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. Please give review with pictures when you receive the item. ABDULLAH is the top most company in Pakistan for dough kneaders. बीच में रखते उसको कट जाएगा. Everything is placed inside the carton, and now it will be packed in brown sheet. We make this complete packing and checking video to serve as an evidence that we have packed a brand new, undamaged and working machine for this particular order, and we have packed it in Daraz packaging guidelines. पहले वो देख लो वहाँ तक आ रहा है, थोड़ा सा इधर कर लो. सही है, सही है. क्या बोल रहे हो? Packaging is almost complete and the shipping label is also pasted on it. Do not forget to give review with pictures. We will show you the carton now. Thank you.